Welcome to today's session. We are discussing contemporary India, that is a geography of 9th standard. Fifth chapter, we are discussing natural vegetation and wildlife. So, different six type of forest. We have five types of identification vegetation we have in our country. Yesterday we had discussed about tropical deciduous forest, and today we are going to discuss another one important forest of our country, that is the thorn forests and shrubs. Yes. So in our country we have a climatical condition, dry climatical condition we have. Yes, that is in the northwestern part of our country. So in this region, this land, it will be, it receives the 70% of rainfall. See here, that is comparing to the evergreen forest and deciduous forest. When we are comparing the dry regions of our country, here natural vegetation is very less comparing to the different forest of our country. Here the less content of waterfall, it will be causes for to the thorny trees as well as bushes and shrubs. So these vegetations, it is found in our country, that is a northwestern part of India. So here we can see the northwestern part in our country. So these areas included Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana. So these important places, it will be receive a less content of rainfall. So less content of rainfall, and here the most climatical condition dry and hot. Yes. So the climatical condition of these regions, it will be dry. In summer season it will be hot, in a winter season hot, and rainy season less rainfall. But in a night, in a day I am talking now, in the night it will having a pleasant cool climatical condition. In such a climatical condition, which kind of trees are found here, which kind of plants are found here, that is acacias, we can palms, date trees, as cactus. So these are the mainly found in these areas because of they have a long roots, which they will absorb the moistures from a soil. And usually when we see these trees, they have a thorns on a leaves, that is a needle type of uh, thorns we can see. Cactus, I think it is a good example, which will be save water. The thick leaf we can see in that uh, plants, and they are the very small, so they will minimum evaporation content they have, they will save a water because of these thorns, as well as a structure of the leaf when we see those plants, bushes, and as well as trees. This type of atmosphere, it will be give a forest, it is called as thorny forest and shrubs and bushes. We are the found in this northwestern part of our country. So most probably of these areas, how the wildlife, how the animals are the living, what kind of the animals are the found in these areas. The scorpions we can get here, the scorpions and different types of snakes, lizards, rats, mouse, as well as rabbits and peacocks. And here wild ass, fox, wolf. In some places the tiger, lion and horses. The main important, that is animal, uh, it is called as a transportation of desert areas, that is a camel. So these are the some wildlife we can get in these thorny forest and shrubs. Next one, it is mountain forest. Yes, so mountain areas in our country we have here when we see the map, just you can observe the map, which is a greenish color in the northern part of India. So natural corresponding the latitudes and increases in these areas, that is a natural vegetation. So natural vegetation, we have a large belt of in this northern side of the India, which they have temperate type of forest, tropical thunder region, as well as wet temperate type of forest we can get, that is in a height 1000 to 2000 kilometers, which is having a which kind of trees are available here. They are having a broad leaf trees, those are the evergreen. Yes, that is such as oak, cashew nuts. So such a type of trees are the found in these areas. And in between the 1500 and 3000 meters, the temperate forest contained coniferous forest. Yes, in coniferous forest also it is we can found in these areas. In coniferous forest, the trees like pine, deodora, silver fir. So coniferous forest, they are these forest in usually we can get in that is due to the cold winter and short summer, these trees they will grow very slowly. They don't have a much growth in that areas, but they are the tall and they are the very straight, and they look evergreen coniferous trees, and they are have a narrow needle like a leaves. Yes, so I am talking about the coniferous forest, don't confuse yourself. I am talking about a coniferous forest. So these forests they are uh, they are the found in our country, that is southern slopes, the southern slopes of the Himalayas, and they have a height altitude in southern and northern east of India. Because of the higher evolution, the temperate grasslands are the common. So temperate grasslands, these are the found in a mid latitude zone. Yes, so these the features of these temperate forest and grasslands. So here these are not adapted, or they are not basis on the rainfall. The what the moisture contains, it is available in that areas, on that basis only that grow. And here the silver fir and juniper, pines, So these are the common trees are the found here. And the one more thing about these mountain forest, here they are the given the everything is all the different type of here temperate forest, grasslands, as well as the coniferous forest, they are the given. And here they approach the snow line. Here when we are talking about the northern part of our country, here the most of areas we can get uh, the areas which is covered with the snow. And alip grasslands, here the grasslands, the alip grasslands, and these are the used for grazing, and by that is nomadic traders like Gujaras and Bakwaralas. So these are the some tribal communities which they are the living in these areas. And one more part they are the given here, that is Tundra region. So Tundra region, it will be found not only the India, in a different um, areas of world also. For example, North Pole, North America, and Eurasia. These areas we can get these Tundra region. So Tundra region, it is called as evergreen, sorry, it is called as Greenland, but unfortunately less greenery or less vegetations will found here, that is lychees and mosses are the commonly very small shrubs are the found here, which that is also in a period of short summer are grow. And in these Tundra regions, these small flowering plants are we can get. So wildlife, so which is spotted in these areas, that is in Kashmir stage, as well as spotted deer and wild sheep, jack rabbit, yes, Tibetan antelopes, yaks, snow leopard, as well as squirrels. So these are the commonly found in these areas. And red panda, that is very rare. We can get which goats, so which they are the having to save themselves, they have a thick hair or the thick fur they are the having on their skin body. And the structure of the skin is very different to the comparing to the other animals, because they have a very thick layer of fat, which is help them to conserve body heat and make them fit survive in that bitter cold. So these are the polar dogs, as well as polar bear, reindeers, and foxes, and musk ox. So these are the we can found in these Tundra regions. So we can just you can catch out and make a notes of these all the things, and for the reference you can refer geography textbook of ninth grade. Thank you.